Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Binance and how to trade futures in a way that's easy to follow and beginner-friendly. Sign up using the link below this video to receive a 20% Binance fee discount and bonus rewards. So make sure you don't miss it. First, I'll show you how to register on Binance. When you open Binance through the link under this video, the Binance sign-up page will load automatically. On this page, you'll notice a 20% trading fee discount, along with several bonus reward offers displayed. Please sign up using either your email address or mobile number. Please check the terms and conditions consent box below. Then press continue. Select the image that matches the word on the left. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Please type in the code you receive. Now, it's time to set up your password. Please set at least 8 characters and at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. If the inviter code screen appears, please type in SKY333. Using this code gives you a 20% Binance trading fee discount and bonus rewards. It's highly recommended to enter the code before finishing the registration process. After completing this step, your Binance account is successfully created. Next, we'll move on to KYC verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, KYC verification is required. Since this process includes face verification, we'll continue using your smartphone. Install the Binance app on your phone. Launch the Binance app, sign in with the account you just registered. You'll be taken directly to the verification page. First, choose your country or region. I'll choose India. Now, we'll continue with the verification steps. Please select one of the available document types. I'll go with passport verification. Select Take Photo to take a photo of your passport. Then click Continue. Position the photo page of your passport inside the camera frame and take the picture. Be sure there's no reflection or shadow. Now, we'll move on to face verification. Carefully follow the instructions on the screen and complete each action as prompted. At the end of this stage, the review will begin. It takes about an hour. After the screening, the status changes to verified. Next, let's set up Google Authenticator. Please switch back to your PC screen. Click Accounts in the left menu. Then select Security. We'll add extra protection using an Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then choose Use an Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Please enter the code you receive. A QR code window will then appear. Now, install Google Authenticator on your phone. Once installed, run the app. Tap the button in the bottom right corner and choose Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will appear in the app. Now, click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the app code field. Two-factor authentication is now fully set up. Second, let me explain one by one how to do peer-to-peer transactions in Binance. First, tap the wallet icon located in the top right corner of the screen. On this page, you can see different types of wallets. The spot wallet is where you hold assets and place spot trades. Meanwhile, the futures wallet is specifically for futures trading. Start by selecting the spot wallet. Then, tap Deposit in the upper right corner. From the menu, choose Buy with USD. Read the notice and check the agreement box. After that, press the Start Trade button. To buy cryptocurrency, make sure Buy is selected. Next, select USDT as the asset. Compared to BTC or USDT usually provides a more stable and favorable rate. Here, choose the currency you want to pay with and enter the amount. Now, select your preferred payment method. Scroll down to view the list of available advertisers. I recommend choosing sellers with many completed orders and solid reviews. A strong transaction history helps reduce risk. Once you've decided, click Buy USDT next to that advertiser. Before proceeding, carefully read the advertiser's trading terms. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Then, tap Buy USDT to continue. You'll now see the seller's name, bank details, and QR code. Before sending payment, check the seller's messages in the chat. Proceed to send the payment using your selected method. After completing the transfer, return to the Binance. Tap Transferred, notify seller to confirm payment. Upload between 1 and 3 proof of payment images. Send the proof to the seller through the app. Check the agreement box at the bottom. Then press Confirm to finalize the request. Wait briefly, then open the wallet icon in the top right corner again. This time, select Spot from the wallet list. Here, you can verify that your USDT has arrived successfully. Third, I'll show you how to trade futures in Binance. To begin trading futures, you need to move your coins from the Spot wallet into the Futures wallet first. Click the Spot wallet, then click Transfer at the top right. Transfer from Fiat and Spot to USD Futures. Select the coin to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. The coins have been successfully moved to your Futures wallet. To begin futures trading, select Futures from the top menu. Select USD Futures. You're now looking at the main futures trading interface. Tap the button in the top left corner to choose which coin you want to trade. On the right-hand side, you can fine-tune all your futures trading settings. Press this icon to switch your margin mode. Cross mode shares your full margin balance across all open positions. Isolated mode limits margin usage to a single position. For beginners, isolated mode is generally the safer choice. Use this button to adjust your leverage. Leverage can be increased up to 150 times. While higher leverage can amplify gains, it also increases liquidation risk. Beginners are advised to start with 3x to 5x leverage. Next, tap this button to choose your order type. A limit order lets you set your own buy or sell price. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. Your available margin is displayed just below. In this section, enter the price and quantity for your trade. Now, choose the direction of your position. Choose buy long if you expect prices to rise. If you expect a decline, select sell short. Tap the Positions tab at the bottom to view your currently open position. The entry price represents your average entry level. Mark price is the reference price used by the system. If the market hits the liquidation price, the position will close automatically. P&L shows your real-time profit or loss. Tap the pencil icon next to TPSL to set your take profit and stop loss levels. To exit a position, use the Market Close All button and select either market or limit. You can then verify that the position has been closed successfully. In today's video, I showed you how to use Binance, from signing up to futures trading, step by step, in a clear and beginner-friendly way. Your support through subscriptions and likes really helps us make more videos. Thanks a lot for watching today.